Hey guys, this is Epson EcoTank ET-4800. What I want to do is to show you how to align the print head to get the best print quality. First of all, you need to load the paper, A4 paper. The paper we have here is A4 paper. So from the screen, we show you align the print head to get the best print quality. You have adjust or adjust letter or proceed. So use up and down to select your preference. But we want to do this now, so we need to select adjust. You select OK to proceed. Then perform a print head nozzle check to check the print quality. You have option for you to print or print letter, or you select OK. So we want to print now. Then you select OK to proceed. Load A4 size plain paper, which we have done. Then the next is for us to print out the paper. Then you select this button. So now it's printing. If you change your mind, you select cancel. This is the cancel button. Now I will ask you, are there any missing segments from the printout, from the information printed out? Then you select yes or no. Then you select OK, yes. It will show you clean print head. Then you select OK. Then you select OK. Then you select start. So this will take 3 minutes. Another thing I want to say is if you select no from the prompt, you will not clean the print head. So depending on the particular option you select, is cleaning the print head will take about 3 minutes. But if you select no, then you proceed to complete alignment. So depending on the option you select. printing, check your ink level regularly. Okay, now it's asking, are there any missing segment? Then you scroll down and select no. Okay, now I will show you align print position to fix misalignment and banding. Adjust letter, then you select adjust and select OK to proceed. Then it will ask you to load A4 size, then you select print. Now you take out the printout, look at the printout and choose the box with the least line. On the next screen, select the number. Then the next you need to do, you need to select OK. Then it will show you for you to select the number. Then you look at number 1 and use up and down arrow to select the number. Then once you select the number, then you select OK. So look on number 2, then look on number 3. Then select OK. It will go to number 4. So look on number 4. Select the number. Then select OK. Then you go to number 5. So look on the paper printout, you check number 5, the number. Then select OK. You go to number 6. Then select OK. You go to number 7. Then you select OK. Now once you've done that, then you select this print. Choose rectangles that are not separated or overlap. So you look on the printout and select the number. Then you select OK. Use up or down arrow button to select. Then select OK. Now it's showing us print head alignment complete. It will show you, do you want to set the fast? We want to set this setup later on, or you proceed. Then you select OK. If you select OK, then you put the fast number. If you don't want to do that, then you select hash. Fast is not set. Fast is not set up yet. Remind me later. Then you select OK. This product uses the following network function to send data. Select OK. Scan and save file to computer. Allow or disallow. Then you select allow. This is how to set this up, and it will show you the screen. You can see the copy. Use the arrow button, you go to fast. If you use the left arrow button, you go to scan. So this is how to complete alignment head and set the printer up. Thank you very much indeed.